In this video, I show you how to fix GCash keeps stopping, cannot launch GCash due to its own reason. Please update the app or clear the app data problem for fixing this problem. First of all, check that your GCash app is updated or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search GCash, tap on GCash. Now update your GCash to latest version, if available any update version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for GCash. Tap on GCash. Tap on force to stop, then OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear storage, then delete. Now open your GCash app. Scroll down, then click on Accept. Now, I hope that this method keeps dropping problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.